to Harpa. More specifically, welcome to the reverberation chamber of our main hall, Eldborg. This space is normally hidden to the audience, but it's a key factor in the acoustic design of the hall made by sound engineers called Artek. And let's hear what this space sounds like.